Welcome to the month of October, and thank you for joining me on a walk around our beautiful campus. We're in the season of autumn, a season of mists and mellow fruitfulness, as the English poet John Keats once expressed so elegantly. As the days shorten and the nights grow longer, the changing of the seasons is a perfect time to reflect on where we are as individuals and as a university in adapting our lives and our work. At MGA, one of our core values is adaptability. That is the ability to adjust to different conditions and circumstances. In my convocation address, I discussed our university's vital signs in order to assess progress in our lives individually and collectively so that we can adapt to any challenges that come along our path to excellence. When it comes to personal vital signs, many people wait until the start of a new year to make New Year resolutions. But why wait? October, it seems to me, is a great month to consider what next year might look like if we spend time addressing our health and well-being, and there's never been a better time to do that than right now during this fantastic season. So if you're interested in getting more active, the University System of Georgia has given you a good reason. It's issued a walking challenge to all employees for the month of October. I'd like to reinforce that and express to the entire campus community my encouragement. As this cooler weather comes along, please explore our campuses like the Rec and Wellness Center, tennis courts, walking trails, and of course the new pickleball courts. I know I'll be doing lots of walking on our campuses. So as the world around us adapts to the season of fall, I encourage each of us, individually and as a university, to embrace adaptability, to make it work for us for our well-being, and to prepare for an even stronger next year in terms of our health and our success. I wish you the glories of this season. Please get out and enjoy it. Thank you, and go Knights!